Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to create a theme switcher using Vue.js, allowing users to switch between light and dark themes. I've already prepared a basic layout with a stylish radio button. You can find the code for this layout on my GitHub, and the link is in the description below. Now let's dive into the code. Here's the layout we'll be working with. It includes a header with a logo and a switcher that users can toggle to change the theme. We'll handle theme switching using a Vue data property and a watcher. Here's what's happening. We're using a data property called isDarkTheme to track whether the dark theme is active. We're initializing isDarkTheme based on the value stored in local storage. We're using a watcher to respond to changes in isDarkTheme. When it changes, we update the data theme attribute on the root HTML element and store the theme in local storage. The immediate, true option ensures that the handler runs as soon as the component is created, so the theme is set right away. Finally, we'll create a CSS file to define our theme variables. Here's an example. Make sure to link this CSS file in your HTML and you're all set. And there you have it, a simple and elegant theme switcher using Vue. You can now switch between light and dark themes with ease. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Your comments and feedback are always appreciated, so feel free to leave your thoughts below. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.